Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to layer images in Canva so you can stack, arrange, and create better looking designs right from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app and log into your account. Now, either open an existing design or create a new one. Once your canvas is ready, tap on the Upload button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can choose images from your device, camera roll, or even upload from Google Drive, Google Photos, or Dropbox. Select the images you want and upload them to your design. Now, tap on any image to add it to your canvas. You can drag it around the screen to position it wherever you like. To resize the image, simply drag from the corners. And if you want to crop it, use the crop tool available in the options. Go ahead and add multiple images to your canvas so we can start layering them. Once you have multiple images added, tap on any image to select it. Now, go to the bottom menu and tap on Position. Here you'll see options like forward and backward. If you tap forward, the image will move on top of other images. If you tap backward, it will go behind them. This is how you create layers in Canva. You can repeat this with different images to stack them exactly how you want. Take a moment to adjust everything until your design looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to layer images in Canva and create more professional designs easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorial IFI for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.